Can you solve the easiest linked list interview question that appears at every single top tech company? So given a singly linked list, group all of the nodes with odd indices together, followed by the nodes with even indices. Now the first node in the list has an odd index and the second node has an even index, and so on. Let's say we're given this list, we have the following odd nodes and the even nodes. If we reorder them, we get the following. Let's go over the thought process. We can create two lists, one for the odd nodes and one for the even nodes. After we have created the two lists, we can place the even list behind the odd list. Let's implement the function on even list, taking the head of the input list, create the head and tail of the odd list, create the head and tail of the even list, keep track of the current node, and a boolean variable to check if our current node is odd, while node is not equal to null. Save the next node, disconnect the current node. If the current node is odd, append the node to the odd list, update the tail of the odd list, else append the node to the even list, update the tail of the even list, split the value of its odd, move on to the next node, append the even list to the end of the odd list, return the head of the odd list.